Step 2. Connecting your thermostat. First, we'll route the thermostat wires. Just below the middle of the green control board is a hole to pull the thermostat wires through. We recommend giving yourself enough slack in these wires to not only reach the front of Hydronics' tank, but also to move the tank by 12 to 18 inches. Next, gently pull out the 12-pin wire connector from the bottom center of the control board. Now, for each thermostat, we're going to connect the wires. Strip the end of the thermostat wires. If you have one, stick the white wire in the connector for the appropriate thermostat zone number. Then, tighten the little screw and turn to the right, as tight as it will easily go. This should hold the wire securely and make the electrical connection possible. The red wire will go in one of the power terminals. Tighten as with the white wire. Do not plug the connector back into the control board yet. If you're installing a smart thermostat, there's one more step you need to do. First, you'll need to remove jumper JP43, the one above the power section on the control board. Then, strip 3 wires from the thermostat wires. These are the red, white, and blue or black wire. Connect the white wire to the thermostat zone you wish to connect it to. The red wire goes into the power terminal R. Then, the black or blue line goes into a common terminal. Do not plug the 24 VAC power supply into the outlet until it is time to power up.